Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have a drone from Eachine and the model we have is the E58. This is a so-called pocket drone, and yes, it will actually fit in a pocket, but it must be a big pocket. It's got Wi-Fi, it can do 360 rolls, we have lights and a 720p camera. Let's open it and see what we got. Here's an English user manual. This will come in handy for sure. Here's the remote control. It's made of plastic and it feels simple, but it's okay. It's a very plasticky feeling. We have two sticks. The left one is for controlling altitude and steering, and the right one is for going forward, backwards, left and right. The arrow buttons on top and on the right side are for fine adjusting the calibration. The arrows on the left side, up and down, are for automatic takeoff and landing. In middle is the power switch. These antennas may look cool, but they're actually just decorative and have no function at all, so it doesn't matter if you point them up or down or just leave them closed. There's no battery included for the remote, so let's open up the back and put them in. We need 3 AA batteries. There we go, it works. The buttons on the back here are for controlling the speed options, activating Headless Mode, 1 key return, 360 rolls, and panic mode. Under here is a holder for the phone. We can place it here while you're flying and use the screen to see live video from the camera. It's just big enough to fit my Samsung S8 Plus, so I don't think anything bigger will fit. Here's the drone. We got an extra battery. There are 2 included in this box. Here's the USB cable for charging, a screwdriver and some extra blades. This is the screwdriver I used earlier to open the battery compartment on the remote. There's also some blade guards. I think I will need this in the beginning. The drone itself looks very nice and is very light. The takeoff weight is only 120 grams. It looks like a miniature DJI Mavic Pro. On the back we can see the battery and we can just pull it out. There's no locks. So this is a 500 mAh battery and it will last between 7 and 9 minutes. On the side of the battery we have a micro USB port. This is how you will charge it. Just plug the cable directly into the battery and the little red LED will light up. It takes about 60 minutes to charge and the LED will switch off when it's done. In the front we have the 720p camera with an adjustable angle, and up here we have the 2 white lights. These will start blinking when the battery is low, and they're always on when you fly. Under the drone we have a little slot for inserting the memory card. It uses micro SD cards, and if you want to record video or take pictures you'll have to use it, because it's not possible to save directly to the phone via the Wi-Fi connection. You can start and stop the recording from the app on the phone, but it will be saved on the card. Here's also some rubber feet for stable takeoff and landing. To extend the arms, we have to start with the ones on top and then do the bottom. Now the total width is 27 centimeters. The drone actually looks quite good and the plastic feels like it has a rubbery layer on top. This on top is the power button, and the 3 white T's will light up with a blue color when it's switched on. The blade guards are very easy to attach. Just insert these little pins in the holes under the arm, like this. It will give the blades some protection from touching the ground, walls or whatever else we may bump into. On the back we have the drone's antenna, at least I think this is. Okay, so let's fly this thing. I have never flown a drone, so this should be interesting. First we must turn the drone on. If the calibration is bad, you can manually calibrate by pushing the left stick forward, then backwards, and then both sticks at the same time to the bottom right. Now the red light on the back of the drone should stop blinking and we're ready for takeoff. I'm flying a bit inside at first, just to get to know the drone and the controls. The lights on the drone are also a way to see which direction it's pointing. In front we have 2 white lights and on the back is a red one. It flies very well and it keeps the altitude without me having to do any adjustment. It's actually very easy to fly and the remote control is working very well. We have 3 different speed modes. So let's jump straight to level 3. Level 2 and 1 is a bit slow. Okay, that's fast enough. I think it's time to take it outside, so let's go. My phone is now connected to the drone via the Wi-Fi connection, so we can see the live video while flying. The 2 buttons on the top left of the app are used to take pictures and start and stop recording the video. The video quality isn't very good, but it's enough for navigation. It's a 720p camera, so I didn't really expect anything more, but it's something to consider if you're planning to buy this drone. Here's some video recorded directly onto the memory card. It's a bit choppy, and as you can see, the quality isn't something to use in production or anything like that. It works very well for navigating though, and if you crash, it may be of some help to find where the drone is located. Although controlling the drone is quite easy and it flies very well, wind can be a little bit challenging. The drone weighs only 120 grams, so it will be affected by wind. It's a bit windy where I am right now, so it's not easy to hover or fly very straight, as you can see. The max distance of the remote control is 80 meters, but the FPV will only work within 30 meters. It's also got headless mode, which means you don't need to know which direction the front or the back is pointing. If you pull the stick towards yourself, the drone will come towards you, no matter if the front or back is pointing at you. While headless mode is active, the one key return function will also be available, which means you can get the drone to come back to you just by clicking a button. I must say it's a lot of fun to fly on speed level 3 though. It's quite fast and very responsive at this level. Be careful to not get out of range though, because if that happens, it will start descending, no matter if you're over land or water. All in all, this is a fun drone to fly, it's easy to learn, so I think it will be very good as someone's first drone. It flies well, it's quick, it's got live video from the camera and a lot more. The video coming out of the camera can't really be used for much other than navigation and having some fun, but that's expected at this price point. I hope you liked this video, and remember to subscribe, comment and like. I will be posting another video that's a bit more detailed about the controls and functions of this drone and the app. So click that subscribe button for more. Also check out the video description for links to buying this drone. If you have any questions, just post them below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.